Hey guys, this is Chef Daniels. I hope everyone's having a good day. Here today because I was looking into getting I was looking into the Dalstrong company, and after debating it for quite some time, I finally gave in and bought myself a Omega Series 8.5-inch chef knife. I'm not gonna talk about a I'm not gonna talk about it too much, like any of the specifics of it. I'm just gonna basically just show it to you guys in action, and that's what my goal is. Because when I was looking into purchasing one of these knives, I was hoping that I could find a video like the one I'm about to make for you guys. there you have it, guys. You just saw it in action. I know there's a lot of Dalstrong haters out there, and my opinion is that the knife cuts pretty well, and it's a beautiful knife. I mean, it's the best knife I've ever used, and I work in a professional kitchen. If you research the city where they're made, it's a city that's been making knives for years, and it shows. It really does. I think it's a good knife, and I would recommend it to my friends and peers. So, any comments or suggestions would be appreciated. Thanks for watching.